For you and me, death is a sunset, but for them, death is sunrise. For us, the self is first, but for the saints, the self is last. For us, neighbor is the opposite of self, but for the saints, the neighbor is the extension of self. For us, God is a giver, but for the saints, God is a lover. Therefore, they were special models of radical discipleship or followers of Jesus Christ. But there are also countless number of uncanny saints in heaven. And who are they? They were men and women of flesh and blood like any one of us. They had the same weaknesses and faults and failings as we have, and yet